So I have these solar powered lights from Dazzle. In this video, I'm gonna show how to get these things assembled and installed. I also got a video going in the corner showing a demo of them at night so you know how bright they are. I really think the design on here makes a really cool light, so you gotta check out what they look like in action. But how you get these installed, super easy. So this is gonna be what you get. So you're gonna get the stake here and then the light itself. Pull it out, install it just like that. And now how you get these things working is very easy as well. So the bottom here is gonna where you put in the stake. Big thing is if you do need to pound these down, just do not install the lights first, because otherwise you're probably gonna be hitting your light, solar light on top, and breaking that panel. So if you do need to pound it down, just put the stake into the ground, pound the stake in there, put this on top, you are good to go. As for the lights, how you get these activated, super easy. So you're just gonna take out the light itself, right on top, gonna be an orange piece here. Just remove that. At this point, these are activated and ready to go. If you would ever need to replace the battery, you just gotta unscrew it here. That's gonna be where your battery's at. You can do that, otherwise these do last pretty long. So put that back on top here, put in the top. Now at this point, just go place it around your house. It's gonna pick up the sunlight immediately and start working. I do think they have a little bit of charge too in them, so I think as soon as you put them down, it's gonna start working that first day for you right away. But these come in a bunch of different packs. Personally, I put them around my house, and I honestly love them because I can just put them in. I don't need to worry about batteries. I don't need to worry about charging, and they light up my walkways really nice at night. Now, I do live in Minnesota, so the weather is kind of crazy. I've never had any issues with them getting too cold or too hot, anything like that. So I'm super happy with these. They do the job exactly as it should. Affordable, big fan. I give them 2 thumbs up.